Good morning. Is it morning? I don't know. Let me see. It's 11:30. You have seen the title of this video, and I have decided to take my baby out. 2 months now. Okay? Oh my god. I have this hairstyle for 2 months. And this is the longest. Is it? I think this is the longest hairstyle I've ever had. Not only I love the hair, not only I love the style, but I wanted to do an experiment. I wanted to see something, right? So today I decided to say bye to my babies. Alright, I did not want to say bye. Alright, I wanted to stay with them longer, but they have to go. Okay, you see them go. Can you guys see the, I hope you guys can actually see the growth. My hair. I do have a video when I did this style, this hair. If you wanna watch it, I will leave the link below. You guys can check it out anytime you guys want. Okay, and also I just want to say welcome to my new subscribers. Hi, welcome to the family. So before I take it out, okay, before I take them out, be gone. So I need to spray. I'm going to spray water. I was looking for a detailing like about, and I need one. Okay. Okay, so I need to spray it and make it easy for me, so I can just take them down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. To unbraid it, you need this part to unbraid it, and also I have my scissors here, and we are ready to go. Guys, so we are done. I am going to take care of them, and thank you for watching.